Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I expect you are doing well and Almighty Allah keeps everyone safe and sound. But we miss our evergreen and peaceful campus, Japur Islamia Alim Madrasa, very deeply. I hope to prevent coronavirus, you maintain social distance, take mask, wash your hand within 20 seconds, or spray or rub your hands with sanitizing. Dear learners, I am Nasima Jahan, your English teacher. Welcome to you again by an online class. This video lecture is my 4th class of Unit 1, The Unforgettable History. In my previous classes, we have read the whole passage and learned multiple choice question and answering questions. Today, I'll discuss on question number 2 with you. Dear students, by analyzing Alim examination 2017 to 2019, we find that a substitution table is given for making 5 sentences from a text. Besides, it may have 2 alternative patterns, which are information transfer or flowchart. So, dear learners, before discussing substitution table, let's go to back our historical speech in Bangla version on 7 March 1971. The father of our nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, delivered the speech of the then racecourse Maidan. Let's go to listen the video.
স্বাধীন করো বাংলাদেশ বীর বাঙালির অস্ত্র ধরো বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন করো। স্বাধীন বাংলার জাতির পিতা, স্বাধীন বাংলার জাতির পিতা মুজিবের পথ ধরো। মুজিব ভাই এসে গেছেন, তাকে আপনারা স্লোগান দিয়ে অভিবাদন দেন। শেখ মুজিবের পথ ধরো, বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন করো। মুজিব ভাইয়ের পথ ধরো, বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন করো। বাঁশের বাটি তৈরি করো, বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন করো। বীর বাঙালি অস্ত্র ধরো, বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন করো। বীর আপনারা জোরে স্লোগান ধরেন, আমার দেশ তোমার দেশ, বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ। আমার দেশ তোমার দেশ, বাংলাদেশ বাংলাদেশ। স্বাধীন করো, স্বাধীন করো, বাংলাদেশ স্বাধীন করো।
আজ দুঃখ ভারাক্রান্ত মন নিয়ে আপনাদের সামনে হাজির হয়েছি। আপনারা সবই জানেন এবং বোঝেন, আমরা আমাদের জীবন দিয়ে চেষ্টা করেছি, কিন্তু দুঃখের বিষয় আজ ঢাকা, চট্টগ্রাম, খুলনা, রাজশাহী, রংপুরে আমার ভাইয়ের রক্তে রাজপথ রঞ্জিত হয়েছে। আজ বাংলার মানুষ মুক্তি চায়, বাংলার মানুষ বাঁচতে চায়, বাংলার মানুষ তারা আজ তার অধিকার চায়। কিন্তু দুঃখের বিষয়, আজ দুঃখের সঙ্গে বলতে হয় 23 বছরের করুণ ইতিহাস, বাংলার অত্যাচারের, বাংলার মানুষের রক্তের ইতিহাস, 23 বছরের ইতিহাস, মুমূর্ষ নরনারীর আর্তনাদের ইতিহাস, বাংলার ইতিহাস, এদেশের মানুষের রক্ত দিয়ে রাজপথ রঞ্জিত করার ইতিহাস। 1952 সালে রক্ত দিয়েছি, 1954 সালে নির্বাচনে জয়লাভ করেও আমরা গদিতে বসতে পারি নাই। 1958 সালে আইয়ুব খান মাশাআল্লাহ জারি করে 10 বছর পর্যন্ত আমাদের
My dear and adorable students, you have enjoyed the video. I hope you have got inspired for patriotism. The speech have been listened to TV channel, but today you have known that the world have analyzed it very carefully and have given prestige as the most motivational speech for the century. Dear learners, let's go about the next topic, question number 2. Substitution table. Locate the screen. At first you see a definition of the matching test. Actually, it is an arrangement in a column. It is to decorate into a column, which can be combined to make sentences. Actually, it can rearrange the parts into a sentence. It helps to join or connect 5 sentences using parts of sentences from each column of the table. The matching test develops our language skills and introduces the formation of subject pattern and relates number, gender, pronoun with verb and tense. Actually, it is as like as making a complete sentence. Before answering the matching test, we have to follow some tricks, dear learners. Let's go. Actually, matching test has 3 parts, A, B and C, is to make to 5 complete sentence. Part A for subject, part B for verb and part C for object or extension. Part A, subject, it is the most part A for subject, part B for verb and part C for object or extension. It have to maintain a subject verb agreement. You follow according to subject, you have to follow verb, and according to the meaning of the verb you seek for the meaning of the next part. It can complete the meaningful of a sentence. Dear learners, you have to read the elements of the table carefully and combine the easy options at first. Then you think about probable answer and keep your focus on the sentence for next step. Here there is no hard and fast rule to maintain a sequence. Okay, you make 5 meaningful sentence that's enough. Dear learners, to match the sentences, you have to keep knowledge on number, gender, person, tense, sentence, subject, verb, agreement, etc. Because if subject is singular, number is also singular. If subject form is plural, verb form also be plural. Same as if subject form is masculine, objective form part or extension part must be masculine form. Same as feminine, objective form must be feminine part. Person is same. If first person subject for objective form is related to first person, second person for second person and third person for third person. Dear learners, at the time of matching sentences you have to maintain the sequences. Here is an example for you, a simple question. Five it has 3 columns, A, B and C. You have to write these 3 parts into a part and make 5 sentences. Here an example is given for you. You see a table with column A, B and C. Here subject is put in A, verb is put in B, and rest of the sentence is for C. Here subjects are there, traffic jam, eat, the drivers, etc. The subject will say you what verbs are used for middle column. We know that there is an introductory subject. You can use is, are, etc. But you use a suitable verb which is matched with column C that will be make a meaningful sentence. So we write there are so many causes of traffic jam. In SMS, second subject is traffic jam. It also support is or are. But you have to put on a verb which has a connection with the meaning of the column C. Third subject is it, and it also regular. Same as singular. Same as you have to write the 5 make the 5 sentence according to maintain subject, according to maintain verb, according to maintain object connectivity. Dear learners, an example is given for your homework. You will try to do it at your home. Stay home and stay safe. Thank you very much. Thank you.